Introducing the brand new Carbon X. The Carbon X is meticulously crafted with an all-carbon fiber body, rotor, and side plate, making it one of the lightest in its class, weighing in at a mere 7.8 ounces. The Carbon X features a lightning-fast 6.2 to 1 gear ratio. The high-speed retrieve helps every angler battle the strong, fast runs of the biggest fish, ensuring that you land your next giant on tournament day. The new Carbon X is extremely smooth, boasting 10+1 premium shielded stainless steel ball bearings. These bearings are critical for increased smooth operation, retrieval performance, and corrosion resistance.
Guys, the Carbon X is loaded with incredible features, like our reinforced anti-corrosion stainless steel main shaft, our zinc alloy drive gear, the direct drive-in screw-in aluminum handle, our hollow nest-shaped spool that causes light weight for the reel, and then also we've got a positive click drag, high-density EVA knob. Guys, these are features that are found in reels that are a much higher price range, but we want you to be able to afford the best on the market.